morning. My name is Nelcy Muñoz. I study administration in health. This letter is addressed to Secretary General ONU. I respectfully address you through this letter to express my opinion on technological advancement and its environment implication. I think it's been negative because it causes irreversible damage as it has brought pollution in places that affect crops, the life and health of the living being because of the misuse of resources. It has also wrought economic inequalities that have affected man-being, bringing him crime. I believe that continuing technological development will partly help the development and advancement of manipulation, communication, the effectiveness and efficiency of collaborative work. However, technological advancement will bring power because it decreases the possibility of working disease, will increase due to sandy lifestyle pollution to the atmosphere, ozone, rivers, land degradation, and therefore there will be a fragment and change which also controls the filing and harvesting of process affecting humans and the environment. This phenomenon can be improved with humanization, education, install and paid solidarity, respect to sport ourselves as human begins rather than comparing as we are doing damage to our habitat that affects the entire population. Therefore, recommend creating a public policy based on equity and sense of violating be incentivary and respect for nature. Thank you. Atentamente, Nelcy Muñoz Caicedo.